I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no reason why I should ever let you go. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wait.
Also, does anybody else have to do laundry every single day now? It is like a must. I swear, like, somehow we go through, like, I don't know, I feel like we're always like running out of underwear or PJs, because like Matthew just hangs out in sleepers all day. I can't be bothered to get him dressed, not even in this like pandemic. Like, I know some people are probably bored and they're like, yeah, I do it just for something to do, but no, even when Elizabeth was a newborn, I don't think I started dressing her until she was like 3 months old. I don't know if I'm going to or not, but yeah, basically he just lives in sleepers all day. Alrighty, Matthew finally went to bed. Our newborn and family photos came in today. They turned out so cute. Richard just got back from picking Elizabeth up from school, but he's finally sleeping, and now hopefully I can get some things done around the house and have lunch, because it's 12 o'clock and he hasn't really slept all morning. So oh, it's cold out. Come on, spring. We gotta have a sun hat, sunscreen, and then hat and mitts, because you just never know in April. Okay, no accident, no crap. Check on her bag. All right, it's good to go for next week.
Wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up, no, I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. You got me wrapped around your finger, tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to, oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do, I wouldn't know what to do. Oh you know, oh you know, oh you know. Baby, without.
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying
saying that to change your mind. For love or pity, let me know, not now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on.
Alrighty, it is Saturday, April something, 24th. We ended up going to the market today, this morning. Richard has Elizabeth. They're going to his parents' house and the park. And yeah, I'm just gonna do some cleaning because this house needs a cleaning. So that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but no, it was nice to get out to the market. We're kind of limited on what we can do right now, so it was just kind of nice to have a little bit of normalcy. Richard drove, and then him and Matthew slept in the car, and me and Elizabeth went to the market, which was nice because like that was our thing last year, is we'd go to the market together because it was like the one thing we could do, and it was open at 8:30, which if you have a toddler, 8:30 is like prime time. That's a good time to be doing something. So yeah, alrighty, I'm gonna get cleaning and yeah, just have like a productive time while he sleeps. So fingers crossed he has a good nap. Sunshine's being crazy right now, but yeah, okay.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you playing? We ain't got the time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. Oh, nah. For love or pity, let me know. Cause your love made me go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, we ain't got the time. I don't really need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden or gold. Just see, we'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I
because he doesn't want to sleep. So I've got him all chilled up in here with a soother. So we'll see if he will be a good boy. The house is kind of a mess. It's not too crazy, but Elizabeth's at school tomorrow morning, so I'm like not stressing too hard about it. Thank goodness for school. Tuesdays are also the days to edit videos, so hopefully. You want what?
Tree.
You want more? You ate those 2 pickles, eh?
Because I didn't like this skin.
Yeah, no. Well, you don't eat the stem or whatever. She wanted 5 pickles. I told her you eat the 2, and then we'll see about the rest. And now she wants the other 3. So. So far, he's happy. What? You put it over here, remember? On the stove or oven or whatever. Yeah. So we're surviving. We are making things work, getting through the night. Oh, here. Thank you. Yeah. I think the secret to solo parenting, and even like being a stay-at-home mom or being with your kids by yourself, like not having a second person to help out, is just to stay calm, be patient, have an open mind, you know, positive attitude. Oh, oops, I forgot to give you that. But yeah. So we're doing good. Actually, I should probably message Daddy because he probably is wondering how we're doing.
3 pickles at the park?
Sure, but we gotta get a coat on you and some pants.
Yeah, but I wanna go. Mama, I can bring this dress.
But when Mommy, you can wear that dress, you just gotta wear pants underneath. And you gotta get something covering up that bum because you don't have anything on your bum. So yeah, that's what's going on for Monday. Yeah, you can wear a pull-up body, sure.
Or some underwear?
Yep.
Or, well, we'll keep my bum nice.
Well, we'll keep your bum nice and warm. Either way, I mean, you're gonna wear pants, so.
Like the.
But yeah.
I peed in that diaper, but I peed on not.
The pull-up you peed in is in the garbage, yeah.
Yeah.
She decided she'd pee in the diaper
Mommy,
instead of peeing in the toilet while I was getting him, so.
Diaper.
Yeah. That's not the diaper you peed in. That one you opened the tabs up. I already threw the other one out. Okay. Alrighty, so we have, I feel like weird standing up after just sitting for all that time editing my video, but I'm exporting my first vlog. It was kind of cool, like I said, to go back and just see how I was feeling and what that first week was like. But yeah, I plan on doing these as many as I can, but I mean, I'm not gonna hold myself accountable to do this every single week. So it's been fun just kind of like, I don't know, just filming a little bit every day and then putting them all together. But yeah. I feel like the house could use some TLC, but I try to basically ignore the house and just know that it can wait. And I try to use Tuesdays as a day to edit and just kind of, yeah, have fun and just be me and do things that I enjoy, which is editing and all that fun stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alright, yeah, so it is Wednesday, April 28th, and I just spent the last 2 hours cleaning while Matthew napped. He should be up any minute. I heard him stir, so he'll probably be up soon because it is 11:55 and he is due to eat at 12. So I'm just putting away some dishes, but like I feel like this phase of life, it's just like clean. When Matthew sleeps, you clean. And then the other parent plays with Elizabeth. Oh yeah. So we are gonna listen to some Office Ladies podcast, and well, I am, and I'm gonna go feed them. But I am so glad the entire upstairs is clean. The main floor is clean. I'm just putting away dishes, and the dishwasher will have to get unloaded. But yeah, and then the basement, there's really nothing to do in the basement. There's still some like little things I can actually I'll quickly share it with you as he starts to wake up. But, oh, and we all have stuff to get lunch, but I'll do that after. I did have a little bit of Alyssa's leftover breakfast, so I'm not like hungry, but let's see what's left to do on the list. Put laundry away, mop upstairs bathroom. Oh, I did that. Pick up groceries, switch laundry over, vacuum, put items away upstairs, put items away downstairs, unload dishwasher, and put dishes in sink away. So not too much that has to be left. Did I say make Richard's lunch? Make Richard's lunch. And dinner, right? All right. Talk to you guys tomorrow, later. Who really knows?